Hey guys, so today I am unboxing Itzy's Kill My Doubt, their mini album. So today I got one of the album versions, and also where I did Drive Up, I ended up getting Yuna's digipack, which is fine because I'm most likely gonna run in and get Ches and Renjin, so that just scared the crap out of me. And so I think we're gonna unbox the digipack first. We're gonna unbox it first. Sorry about my chair. So I'm very, very excited. So yes. I'm in a little bit of a panic because I have no idea. I haven't chosen a set, like, without a doubt, for a group. I'm always choosing a set to collect. Look at her. She is so cute. So all the occlusions look like they're in here. Why they put the CD though? Okay. Anything else you want to throw at me today? And then there's something with the CD. I hate pulling out the CD. Oh. It's like lyrics or something. Is that the only thing? Yeah, put the CD back. Let's figure out what this is. Oh, it's the track list. I am just... Is there more on the back? Yes, there's always more on the back. I'm gonna put that back. Let's put that back. Jeez, no wonder it was thick. This is... yep. So, obviously the digipacks are gonna look different because it's based on the member you get. I think I'm gonna pat myself on the back because I have... Like, when I first unboxed Itzy on here, I had trouble recognizing members, but now I have them down pat, and I think it's where... I don't know. With smaller groups, I have no problem. With big groups, it takes me a while. But with Itzy, it didn't take me not of a bit. So I'm very, very excited. Who knows? I might collect all 5. And I just recently opened up space on one of my shelves because over here, I used to have the digipacks piling up over here, but I organized my desk yesterday, and now they're not there because I fixed the problem. Okay, let's put everything back in there. So let's do this since it was... Oh, it's a little poster, so it's not a mystery. And it fits on the screen too. Okay. There was something that was see-through, and I'm gonna do it first, which is Leah. What's cool about my desk, you can automatically see it. So I have Leah. Next up is... Oh, Applejack! Next up is... Oh my goodness, Applejack again! And this is... Which means... Stop! They look so good! Leah and... Oh my gosh, stop! I can't believe I pulled her with Leah! That is so cool. So basically I can explain my cat. She was in here, and when I went to shut the door, she ran out. So it just made me assume that she didn't want to be in here. I promise you, my cat is fine. So we have this version. I'm very excited. Hey, you blocked Yuna's face. Not cool. I still don't get why with the AT's exclusive, Target exclusive, they didn't make the sticker smaller. Like, the concept of this is so cool because you have a belt. Wait a minute. What is this? Oh, never mind. I'm keeping the belt on. But first, let's pull everything out. Something fell. Something fell. Okay. Oh, crap. The name's on the back. The name is on the back. And I only just saw the last letter of it. Okay. Goodness gracious, I hate when they do that. Okay. Making sure anything that is noticeable is out. Oh, a poster. Does that mean I get to... I am, making sure, you guys. I hate when my chair squeaks, too. So, I am most likely going to be picking up... Okay, that's small, so I will put it right there. I'm so proud of myself for organizing my desk yesterday. The little... I haven't even posted it, so... everything is so cute. I love my setup, so... I might be closer of doing that desk tour. But, the part that I really want to focus on next of organizing is my top shelf, because it is a disaster. So, we have Yajit. Am I saying her name? Yajit? Yajit? I'm trying to get a pronunciation down. Next is Leah. Leah! I knew right away this era because she's blonde. And personally, it looks good on her. Rinjin. You can recognize Rinjin straight out. I still need to get the other out. Cheryl. Oh my goodness, she looks so... Stop. I just realized I have a Baby Shark Band-Aid. I got scratched there, so that's why I have a Band-Aid right there. So, and plus I am... Surprisingly, my stomach hasn't growled. But at the same time, I like the concept of this album. It's like Boxing Champion. Hopefully, I pull one of those cards. But if not, I wonder who... And this is what this... It's not popping out, is it? Okay, good. That's what the CD looks like. But a lot of people would have just ripped that off by now. So, okay, let's see. I'm going to do the poster first. It's a little smaller. That's crazy. It's like the digipack. I'm just gonna put it behind me. I have a pile of posters. You have these. These are cool. Digit. Yeah, Che, Rinjin, and Yuna. You have a postcard. I just saw that there was a name right here. so cute. Who's it by? Oh, that is so cute. So cute. Next up, you have the lyric thing, which is the same in the digipack. I'm just going to show it off again. Next up is the Target exclusive, which it looks like I got Che, which is cool. Because I'm most likely going to be collecting my 2 biases for this. And then just figure out the rest. Shoot. Okay, what is this? Oh, I pulled Leah for this. That is so cool. Next up is the photo cards, which have names on the back. Okay, let's do the first. Stop! No. I was just talking about this card! Stop! No way! Ah! I pulled Rinjin! Stop! And oh, my heart! My heart! My heart! I slammed my chest. I slammed my hand on my chest pretty hard. But those are cute! Stop! Stop! And I was looking at these 2 OT sets too. Oh my gosh! Stop! Like, what is this? Like, what is this? Rinjin, hi! Oh my goodness, stop! Stop! Oh my goodness, they are so stinking cute! Like, now it's pretty clear. Like, this album gave me a sign. What sets I want to collect. But these are so cute! Oh, I just saw that, Rinjin has a line, but that's fine because stop. Anyways, I'm gonna gather everything up. So that is my unboxing of Itzy's mini album Kill My Doubt. Oh my gosh, like, are you serious? Like, that is my mom. like, oh my goodness. I think I figured out what sets I want to collect. That is so cute. Like the little flower crown. It's like giving back when I was in my freshman year of high school. I had decided to do a flower crown for my school pictures. And I remember I gotten called a hippie so many times, but you know what? It's fine. They can do whatever. It was my style. Everyone has their choice of style. I definitely miss that era of me wearing flower crowns, especially with flowy outfits that I wore. So this is just giving nostalgia, and to see that it's ideas that K-pop idols can come up with when it comes to photo card aesthetics is so amazing. Like, this is so cute. It fits the album very well since, like, the album features a champion belt. And also, this is kind of cool. I known that Twice did a selfie and didn't a unit. It would have been cool to see if they did a selfie, but you know, it's JYP, they're gonna make choices for their groups. So anyways, that is it for this unboxing. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the bell, that way you'll not miss any of my videos, and comment down your video ideas because I would love to hear them. Anyways, I will talk to you guys for my next video. Bye guys!